Gemmy Industries 2014 Big Move Ballet Bass 15 years anniversary after restoration and repair. Here's a little song I wrote. You might wanna sing it note for note. Don't worry, be happy. Every life will have some trouble, but when you worry, you make it double. Don't worry, be happy. Don't worry, be happy now. First I was afraid, I was petrified. Kept thinking I could never live without you by my side. But then I spent so many nights thinking how you did me wrong, and I grew strong, and I learned how to get along, and now I'm back on the flack. Don't look surprised that I'm still singing, 'cause you know I have the knack. Can you believe what you see? Bet you can't believe it's me. Did you think for just 1 second you'd be back to look at me? I will survive, I will survive, I will survive. Hey, hey. So yeah, to be honest with you, this is my first two-motor singing fish that I repaired myself. The rest of the fish is repaired fish hunter for me. And to be honest, this was a pretty easy fix. I needed to change the whole mechanism. This is the whole mechanism, as I say, but whatever. And I needed to change the whole mechanism. I needed to I needed to change some things in this mechanism that I put to this fish, so the tail can move to this position, this high, and the head so high. So yeah, soon on my channel will be full restoration video of this fish. So the new video of the restoration of this fish is coming soon to my channel. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss this new video of restoration of this ballet bass. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and see you soon in a new singing fish video. Bye!